What's up YouTube, it's Tropic Angels here, coming at you guys with a video. I'm going to be building my box today for my windmill palm. Fuck man, I spent some time putting this together yesterday, but it just doesn't look right. It's a little lopsided, so I'm going to try to construct this real quick, make a quick video for you guys. Alright, get the Frost King 6-foot electric heater for water pipes. I think James Palms might have used this in his video. I think it might add some extra support to the palm tree to survive throughout the winter. God damn it. Didn't have long enough screws. I stripped out all my long wood screws, so I just had to shove these guys in from an angle that locks into the side of the wood. We're gonna keep building. Alright YouTube, just tied the fronds together. It's pretty fucking tall actually. I was gonna only get a 4-foot box, but it looks like it might not have fit. Look at that, man. It's pretty cool. Alright YouTube, this is day 3. I totally forgot to come at you guys and record a video on the finished product for right now. So I'll hit you with it right now. This is gonna be the palm box. The plastic around the outside is going to be 6mm poly vapor barrier. It's transparent, so some of the sun will be able to get inside of there. The palm should be getting some sunlight right now. I'm going to leave it like this. I have a temperature gauge on the inside that is going to tell me how cold it is getting in there. If it starts getting pretty cold into the single digits or into the 10s, and the lights aren't heating it up enough, I'm going to go ahead and buy 1-inch thick insulation and put it on the outside. I'll probably get that soon. I threw a piece of wood on the top just to make the roof uneven on this, so when it rains or it snows, the water is gonna fall off the sides. It's not just gonna hang on there and collapse. I tried to pull this as tight as I could, so there shouldn't be any issues. It's very strong plastic, that's why you can't really see in it. Came up with a good idea just to keep the air ventilation so the plant could breathe throughout the winter, just so I would be able to get some air going inside. Why am I not able to see the palm tree? I guess someone stole it. I'm hoping that this works out. I think it's kind of a genius idea. It has some room to get some air, so it's facing towards the shed, which is going to prevent it from getting the cold air, which should be coming from over there, which is good. Palm tree will be able to get some nice ventilation that shouldn't be too cold. The box is telling me that it is about 10 degrees warmer on the inside already than it is outside. And last night it got down to 33 degrees is how cold it felt outside, and the lights did not turn on. It stayed a solid like 42 inside of the box, which is really good. I would love to see how the box ends up doing once it starts getting colder and the lights turn on. See how the heating goes. Not only is there C9 Christmas lights, but there's also a Frost King electric heater for water pipes around the base of the mulch. Should keep it pretty warm. We'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great rest of your day. I'm going to keep you updated throughout the winter.